Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phones. Make sure the iPhone is at the Apps and Data setup screen and the Android has the Move to iOS app installed. Plug both devices into power and put them on the same Wi-Fi, then turn off mobile data to avoid interruptions. Open Move to iOS on Android now. On the iPhone, tap Move Data from Android to display a numeric code. This code pairs the phones. Once visible, enter that code into your Android to start the direct connection. Once you enter the iPhone code on Android, the devices establish a private, encrypted Wi-Fi link so your data never travels through the internet. On Android, choose contacts from the list, also pick messages or photos if needed, but focus on contacts for now. Tap Continue and let the transfer run. Avoid touching either phone because user interaction can interrupt the handshake. The app migrates groups, numbers, and contact labels. This method preserves contact fields better than manual CSV exports, which is why we use it. After transfer finishes, tap Done on Android and continue on the iPhone to complete setup. Then open Contacts to confirm names, numbers, and groups transferred correctly. Make sure you sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud contacts so everything syncs and is backed up. If contacts are missing or duplicates appear, first sign out then sign back into iCloud or rerun Move to iOS. If the app fails, export a vCard on Android and import it on iPhone via iCloud. Com as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.